In this video, we're going to learn how to create this animated circular text here in Figma. To create our circular text, we'll go to Resources and select a plugin called Circular Text. Let's click it. An input field will appear where we can apply our text. At the end of the text, we'll add a space so that when it creates the circle, the ends don't touch. This second option is the angle of our arc. Since we want a full circle, we'll keep the setting at 360 degrees and click Spin. We have our circular text here, but as we can see, it's a bit misaligned. So we'll drag it while holding Shift until we find a more suitable spacing for our circle. Once that's done, we'll use Command-G or Control-G to group these elements. I'll change the name of this group to Circular Text. Now, we'll right-click and add a frame selection, which will turn this group into a frame. I'll change the name of this frame to 1. Now, let's select this frame and come to this button to create a component from this element. We'll click here again to add a variant. All right. For this component, we'll need 4 variants to create this circular animation, a looping animation. So, select this second variant, and we'll click this button 2 more times to have a total of 4 elements. Now we need to adjust the angle of these 3 variants. So, let's select this second variant. An important detail is that we can see in the Layers panel that we have selected the variant. But to make it work, we need to select the group we created, Circular Text. Because if we make the adjustment on the variant, it won't work. So, select the Circular Text group, and now we can add an angle of -90 degrees. Okay. We'll do the same with the third variant, but for this one, we'll set it to -180 degrees. And for the fourth variant, we'll set the angle to 90 degrees. Okay, now we're going to start the prototyping part of the animation. So, we'll come here to the Prototype tab, drag this first variant to the second, and change the settings. We'll change it from on click to after delay, and set the delay here to 1 millisecond. We'll keep the option as Smart Animate Linear, with the animation time set to 5,000 milliseconds. We'll do the same thing from the second to the third variant, from the third to the fourth, and from the fourth to the first variant. Now, I'll create a frame to test it. We'll go to the Assets tab and drag the component we just created here. Let's test it. And this is the result of our animated circular text. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, be sure to hit that like button to help the channel grow. If you're new here, subscribe to get future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.